Wednesday POD 1-6. Nicole mixed 2/3 cup of orange juice with 5/8 cups of pineapple juice. She drank 3/4 cups of the mixture. How much of the juice was left? So there's a couple things happening here. First of all, she's mixing two things. So if they're mixing two things, they're taking the orange juice and the pineapple juice and putting them together. So therefore we are adding. So we know that we're gonna add those two things first. So we need to add the orange juice plus the pineapple juice. So they do not have the same denominators, so we're going to need to find out what the same denominators are. So we're going to need to make our t-chart. So we have a 3 and an 8. So we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Let's see, we can keep going. 18, 21, 24. Then we have 8, 16, 24. So 24 is going to be our denominator. So we're going to go ahead and write that down. So how did we get from 8 to 24? We times by 3. 1, 2, 3. So what are we going to do to this 5? Times by 3. 5, 10, 15. How did we get from 3 to 24? We times it by 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what are we doing here? We're timesing it by 8. 2 times 8 is 16. So now we have 16 24ths plus 15 24ths. We're going to ignore this side because we're done with it. So 16 plus 15, so I know 15 plus 15 is 30, so 16 plus 15 would be 31 24ths. So we got more than a cup. So now we have 31 24ths, and she drank 3/4 of that. Well, if you're drinking something, are you adding to it or subtracting from it? You're subtracting. So now we're going to take our 31 24ths and we're going to subtract 3/4. Again, we need the same denominators. So I know that I can make a 4 and do a 24. So I'm going to leave my 24 the same. And if you didn't know that, you could make another t-chart. And I'm going to make my denominator 24. So 4 times 6 gives me 24. So 3 times 6 is going to give me 18. And I'm going to ignore this side, and I'm subtracting. So I have 31 minus 18. If you need to come over to the side and rewrite it, do that. That is fine. It becomes an 11 and a 2. 8, 9, 10, 11 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. That is